In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags on Mailchimp. Tags are an excellent way to organize your audience and target specific groups with precision, ensuring your communication is both personalized and effective. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Mailchimp's website and log into your account. Once you're in, it's time to create your tags, which is our first major step. Tags are like labels that you can assign to your contacts, enabling you to group them based on different criteria, such as customer preferences, engagement levels, or any custom categorization that fits your needs. To start creating tags, navigate to the Audience tab and select All Contacts. This section will give you an overview of your audience, making it easier for you to decide how you want to segment them. Then choose the audience you want to work with. With your audience selected, locate the Tags option from the left side menu and click on it. Here, you're presented with an opportunity to be creative in naming your tags. Click on Create Tag, enter an appropriate name reflecting the purpose of your tag, and then hit Create. And that's it, you've successfully created your first tag. Moving on to our second step, adding tags to your contacts. Once again, go to Audience, click on All Contacts, and visualize the audience you want to categorize. Select the contacts you wish to tag by checking the boxes next to their names. This manual selection helps if you want to be specific about who gets tagged. After selecting the desired contacts, click on the Add or Remove Tags button. You can now assign the tags you just created, or if needed, create a new one on the spot. This flexibility can be really handy when you're organizing contacts on the fly. Now, with your tags in place, it's time for the third step, using these tags to launch targeted campaigns. Head over to the Campaigns tab and click on Create Campaign. Mailchimp offers various types of campaigns, so choose whether you want to send an email, create an ad, or explore other campaign options offered. When selecting your audience for this campaign, make sure to choose the tag filter. This is where your efforts so far come into play. By selecting a tag, you're essentially filtering your audience to target the specific contacts you've organized. This allows you to craft messages and offers that resonate strongly with the particular group, enhancing engagement. Finally, customize your campaign as per your liking, ensuring it aligns with the interests of the tagged group, and then send it out. The power of tags lies in delivering personalized communication. Make sure your message resonates with its intended audience, and there you have it, a comprehensive approach to using tags on Mailchimp. This tool lets you make targeted communication meaningful and impactful. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy tagging.